Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and keep in mind the roles can be reversed anytime and this is a reading till 31st of July, okay? So let's start with your reading, Leos. Leo, let's see what's your partner's current energy. Let me shift my hair that side once. Now it is fine, yes. I'm not able to find my rubber band actually, so that's why. Yeah, so let's start. Leo, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Leo, you got the strength card for your partner's energy. So I feel like right now your partner is holding back something. Might be they're hiding something, might be they're holding back, might be they're acting courageous in front of you, might be they're acting like they don't give a shit to anything right now, they don't give a fuck to anything right now, and they are doing just fine in their life, they're really happy. It is like basically masking their feelings. Okay, this is what their current energy is. There's something that they are hiding, might be, or they are trying to make you feel like they are okay, they are happy, but there's something that is bothering them inside of them, and they're holding back a lot. They want to say you so many things but they are not doing that. Okay, so let's clarify the strength card in their current energy. Four of Wands, Six of Cups, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so I feel like this person, Leo, I feel like this person wants to tell you that they miss you so much and they want to, celebrate something with you. They want to, might be this is Leo season going on right now. So, yeah, coming. Leo season is coming. So, I feel like this person wants to celebrate your birthday with you because they are missing you so much. You guys have a very sweet connection with each other, but they are stuck somewhere. See, they are stuck. They are stuck, not able to come towards you, not able to tell you exactly what they are going through, not able to see the clear picture. Actually, they are confused. I feel like they are confused or conflicted, and they're not able to make any kind of decision, but they are deeply missing you, and they want to celebrate life with you. They want to celebrate something with you. Might be for some of you, this person wants to marry you, and this person is missing you very badly. They want you back in their life, but they're stuck. They're stuck from where to start. Yeah, this is their current energy. Let's see, Leo, what's your current energy? Let's see. Leo, your current energy right now is, let's see, Devil in reverse. So, Leos, I feel like you are feeling like you are caught up in something. You are, you're not able to move on from a toxic relationship or toxicity or negativity. You are feeling like you're stuck somewhere very negative. It's like you're feeling like you are in a negative situation, or you are feeling like you are stuck in a third party situation here, and you're not able to come out of this situation, and you're trying really hard to come out of this, but you are not able to do that. So this is the situation here. So let's clarify the devil in reverse. The devil in reverse or the devil in upright position, I don't feel like this makes any kind of difference. This is still the feeling of toxicity and negativity around you, and you're feeling like you should come out of it and you're not able to come out of it. This is the situation. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's clarify. Five of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. You are very depressed and sad from inside. You are not able to understand what the actual fuck is going on in your life right now, Leo. And you're waiting for something to happen. Might be you're just waiting for somebody to come towards you. And you're trying your best to hide your feelings from the world, from the universe. You're trying your best to try. You're trying your best to listen to your intuition and tap into your spiritual side, but actually you are very sad and depressed from inside. You are feeling some kind of toxicity around you. So might be somebody left you, or you are leaving somebody, and that's why you're feeling very sad and depressed without them. Actually you're regretting some kind of thing in your life, and you're waiting very eagerly for someone to come around you, come towards you, or might be you're just waiting for the right time to come, for something to happen. Okay, and you're trying your best to listen to your intuition, and tap into your spiritual side, and your spiritual side is telling you, yelling at you, that come out of this situation, come out of this a toxic situation or relationship you are in right now. Okay, this is your current energy, Leos. Okay, so let's see what the partner feels for you, what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Nine of Wands. I feel like this person is deeply hurt. They are deeply hurt, and they are, right now they are not able to feel anything actually. They are deeply hurt by something or someone, and they are creating some kind of boundary towards some emotional boundary, that they are not going to allow anybody to hurt them. And I feel like because these are their feelings towards you, they are feeling hurt because of you, might be, okay, because you rejected them, might be, or you guys are separated. There is something that is making them really defensive actually. They're deeply hurt, plus they're defensive. It's like if you're going to talk to them, yeah, they are going to make you feel like shit. They are going to make you feel like, why the hell are you coming to me and talking to me? I just need my space. I don't need anybody in my life right now. Just go away. This is the situation here. So let's clarify. They're deeply hurt by something, and they are not able to, come out of this hurtful situation. Someone hurted them very much emotionally, and that's why they're emotionally off, detached, totally cut off. Let's clarify. Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. So okay, I feel like this person, although they are feeling like they are very hurt, they feel like they should get up and they should go to work. They should work on their finances. They should just focus on their money and their finances and their career. And they want to be independent and stable in their life regarding their money, especially their career and money. This is the thing. So I feel like although this person is feeling like very hurtful and detached and cold and off towards you, this person is trying their best to come out of the situation, and might be they are just moving away, changing the places or changing houses or whatever. There is a change, there is some kind of change coming in from their side, and they are feeling they should focus more on their business and on their money rather than the emotional side right now, because they are completely broken, you can say. This person is going through shit in their life right now, and I can see the same situation for you as well, Leo. Even you are not happy, but I can feel like you intuitively, I'm feeling like you will be able to come out of this situation quickly, like more quicker than this person. This I feel like. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What this person wants from you, let's see, Leo. This card literally jumped out. Temperance. So you could be dealing with the Sagittarius. Yeah. So Temperance. This person wants you to calm down, relax, and be very patient. Control your emotions. Might be you are, trying to control them or trying to control the situation. This person feels like you are emotionally immature, might be, or you are over emotional. There's something related to emotions that they want you to resolve in yourself. So this is what they want from you. They want you to be patient. They want you to lower down your tempo and just wait for the right time for things to happen and just heal from the situation, whatever situation you are right now in. So all they want from you is to be patient, just wait for the right time, and balance your emotions. Try to balance your emotions, okay, as much as possible. Let's clarify the Temperance card and what they want from you. Let's see. The World, the Moon could be dealing with the Pisces, and the Seven of Cups. So I feel like this person is trying to tell you that everything is now finished between you guys. Everything is not as it was in the past, and now you should come out of this fearful situation, and now you should look for other options in your life too. This is the thing. Okay, this person wants you to balance your emotions, try to be emotional, try to be emotionally stable, and they want to make you feel like, yes, everything is over now, this cycle is completed now, this painful cycle is over now. Come out of this fearful situation, come out of this situation where you are feeling like nothing is working out in your favor. They just want you to come out of this fearful situation, and they want you to explore new things in your life. See, This person wants you to explore new things in your life. Might be new people or might be a new boyfriend or girlfriend in your life. But this person, all this person wants from you is that they want you to be emotionally stable. They want you to be emotionally happy, and this is a very very beautiful thing that they want from you. Beautiful energy that they are carrying for you, Leo. Let's see what is coming towards you till 31st of July, or let's see what to expect from this person till 31st of July. This card literally jumped for you. So this is the Eight of Wands. So I feel like there will be back and forth communication coming in towards you from this particular person, whomsoever you are connected with or you were connected with. Finally, you guys are going to open up to each other, and there will be hell lot of communication between you guys. You are going to, communicate well with each other and open up with each other, and tell exactly what is going on in each other's life, and this communication will change each and everything between you guys, okay? Because this communication will bring a clarification between you, between you guys, okay? Let me, this is irritating me, this here, yeah. This communication will change the course of, this relationship in the future. I don't feel like clarifying this because this is clear, but still I feel I will do it, right? Eight of Wands, let's clarify. Ace of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups. Beautiful brand new beginning coming in towards you in love. So I feel like this person and you will decide to start this connection all over again. Might be you guys are going to bang each other, you guys are going to have sex with each other, and then you will plan, let's go with the flow. Don't make this a mess. Just go with the flow, and we will see whatever will happen in the future. And let's start this connection all over again with lots of love and emotions, and just leave the past behind. So this communication is going to change the course of this relationship, and you guys are going to start this connection all over again after all this up and down signposts, curves. Okay, so yeah, this is all about your love life till 31st of July. Thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I will see you soon in the next video. I was about to say lecture. Yeah, so bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye.